Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldy. So guys, finally I'm on board and the ship name is Odyssey of the Sea and I'll be working as a sales associate. So just to brief you that, so you have seen my blog, so it was not allowed to film inside. So what I thought, like, let's talk about it. So what exactly happened is, if you have seen this blog, so I was standing at the gate and from there straight I came to this room. Now this is the cabin. I will make a video about this cabin also. This is the passenger cabin. I am on a 6th floor. So I am in quarantine period for 7 days. Now I have to be here. I cannot go out and not even peek outside also. And it's okay. I mean, today is my second day because the first day I was very tired because, you know, like if you have seen the blog, like I was traveling nearly about 24 hours flight. Then I went to the hotel, then came to the ship. So I was totally sleeping. So today I will start making vlogs about the room and what all I am seeing, what all I am having it. So this is the thing. So please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with my channel because lot of new vlogs will be coming about the cruise ship life. So till then, bye from Cruising with Goldy.